breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice.
Good morning. How are you guys? Before I feed you, let's check the garden. Oh, look in there. Get three Roma tomato. And then in here, get eggplant. So we get two. On this side, more Roma tomatoes. So we get four. The bitter melon grew up fast. Oh, there. So these are the potted string beans and oh, it's going up. So it will go up to this screen like in there. And how is our purple sweet potato? Oh my god, growing really. And remember guys, the green onions that I transplanted before. Eto na sila. They look nice. Wow. Mahangin ngayon. And I know birds are waiting. See guys? Okay, it's time to feed you anyway. Ala, here. Here. Uh, here. Come, come, come. Go, 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 go. Here. Here. Let me see. Oh my god, you hit my head. Here, here. I'm giving you a hard time. Ooh. Sus, okay. Breakfast time. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Naimbag nga bigat. How are you guys doing today? You are out early waiting for me. Waiting for breakfast. Why, you're so hungry. I fed you yesterday. Para naman kayong gutom na gutom. Magandang umaga. And let me just check the sunflowers in here. I will not water today because I watered yesterday afternoon after dinner. There. Because we read something that if you water plants, it should be in the afternoon where there is no sun. So yesterday I started. Let me try if that theory is better for the plants. Okay guys, I'm in the kitchen. Let's start cooking. So I have here my mixing bowl. Let's do the first step. So mixing bowl, and then I have here 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. Ayan siya. And then I will put 1 teaspoon of white granulated sugar. Any idea what merienda this one? So just make sure that your hands are very, very clean, of course. So mix ko lang siya na ganyan. And then I will add water. So first, I will put a 2 tablespoon water, maybe 4 tablespoon. Yan siya. So I will just mix with my hand, clean hand. Ganyan lang siya. I will mix until it forms like a dough. So water not yet enough. I will add two more tablespoons. So that makes it 6 tablespoons. 1 cup of the glutinous rice flour and 1 teaspoon of white granulated sugar. Ayan, mukhang konti pa. 6, maybe just 1 tablespoon. That makes it 7. Yeah, perfect. It's starting to form like dough. So this is how it look. Ayan, nagfo-form siya like a dough. So probably right now you know already what I will be making. Especially if I show like this. How do you call this one? It's a glutinous rice ball. And you're right guys, I will be making ginataang bilo-bilo. Aside from the dough, I also have here another bowl with extra glutinous rice flour. The reason why I put extra glutinous rice flour in here so that the balls that we made will not stick together. Para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. Okay, so I'll just get like this and then make ball. You will know that your dough is in the right consistency if you can make a ball like this easily. It will not crack. If it crack, then add little bit more water. That means kung nagka-crack siya guys, that means it's still dry. So you have to add little bit water. Ayan. Nakita nyo, very easy to make. Kasi tamang-tama lang yung nilagay ko na water or tubig. And anything coconut milk, I love to eat. Ayan na siya guys, tapos na at hindi sila nagdidikit-dikit as you can see. Okay, it's cooking time. Are you guys ready? Let me bring all the ingredients first. So first, I will be needing coconut milk. But in here guys, we don't have the really freshly squeezed coconut. So, alternative for that is coconut milk in can. I will be using 2 cans coconut milk. One more in here. Okay, so right now, I will boil the coconut milk. Pakuluan po natin yung gata ng niyog. I will wait until I get to see something like kind of oil floating. So, aantayin ko lang po na merong mag-float or meron tayong makikita na parang medyo langis sa ibabaw ng gata ng niyog. Then after that, I can start adding the ingredients. So I will put first those that will cook longer. Okay, so kita-kits later. And I'm back. It's boiling and smells good. You smell? You smell the coconut? And it looks like, yeah, there are kind of oil floating already. That means coconut milk is cooked. Okay, first I will add the glutinous rice ball. So, eto siya. And how do you know if the glutinous rice is cooked? You will see them, they will float. Ayan, I put everything. And then, need to mix para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. So they will float later. I will wait for that before adding the other ingredients. Now, it's time to check again. Oh, yan guys. Nagfo-float yung mga glutinous rice balls. Can you see them? Kikita nyong nakikita ko. Nag-float na sila. So, next. Lagay natin, let's put the one that will cook longer. So, this is cassava, kamoteng kahoy, or balanghoy. Hoy, hoy. Hoy, buloy. Ayan yung mga rice balls. And checking time. Let's see. Oh, looks like cassava already good. Next. Anong gusto nyong ilagay next, guys? This one, the purple sweet potato. Ooh. It will be very colorful ginataan. Padarus-dos in Ilocos. Visayas, I think it's binignit. Yeah? Binignit. Somebody's favorite binignit. Okay, halu-haluin. That's the other name for ginataan. Halo-halo, ginataang halo-halo. Halo-halo means mix different kinds. Halo-halo, pinaghalo-halo mo siya. You put all kinds together. Halo-halo. And let me also add the tapioca or yung sago. Sago sa ating Filipino. Ooh. May green sago. Okay, eto na siya. Then I will add corn kernel. Ooh. Wow, look at this ginataan. Very special. Meron pa siyang mais. And then I will add the banana. So this is plantain. Ayan, andyan na silang lahat. Nagsama-sama na. Naghalo-halo na sila. Meron pa bang kulang, guys? Ano pa ba sa tingin nyo ang hindi ko nilalagay? Meron ba akong nakalimutan? Of course, I need to put sugar. Ayan na siya ang pinaka-ihihintay. Matamis na siya. Not only sugar, I also add a little bit of salt. Lagay natin lahat yung sugar, sayang. At eto na ba lahat ang ingredients ko, guys? Wala na bang iba? Oh, meron pang isa. Last. Hulaan nyo ano to. Can you guess what's this one? It's vanilla extract. Ayan. Ang daming flavors. Creamy, sweet, with vanilla. Okay, just waiting for all the ingredients to be cooked, and then that's it. This is my lunch. Banana is almost there. So maybe 2 more minutes. Yuhu! Kainan na. Tikman ko ulit. Mabubusog na ako after I cook this. Good. Not too sweet. Just right. And I have my bowl in here, guys. So right now, I am cooking dinner. It's something like a stew or pochero in Philippines. And while cooking, of course, let's eat merienda. I need to eat my favorite ginataang bilo-bilo with lots of ingredients, other ingredients aside from, because there is say like ginataang bilo-bilo, which is solely all bilo-bilo. But this one I put cassava, sweet potato, I put banana, corn, tapioca. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat. Merienda time. Ooh. Very, very good. Especially tomorrow, after chilling this one, it will be super, super good. And you know what, guys? I can eat this for breakfast, for merienda, merienda again in the afternoon. Yes, it's like I can eat more than half, just me, and then hubby will just be like 1/4, not even 1/4. Let's eat. Mangan tayo, karuba. Kain po tayo. Hi everyone. Guess what? I'm still here in the kitchen. This is my second cooking already, guys. So, kumusta naman kayo dyan? Pagod na ba kayo? Ako pagod na, guys. Pero, hindi pa natatapos ang aking cooking adventure. Nandito pa din sa kusina around 4 to 5 hours already. First, I cooked the ginatan and then I prepared lunch. We ate lunch. After that, the second dish or second cooking, which is our dinner. Hi, plenty energy today, guys. At eto na siya, guys. This is our dinner for tonight. Ayan. Almost done. I'm just waiting for the beans now. And for the carrot. Still not cooked yet. Okay guys, so I'm done cooking. This will be our dinner. It's called pochero or pork stew. And then, earlier I cooked this one, the ginataang bilo-bilo. You can call it ginataang halo-halo, padarusdos in Ilocano. I think in Visayan, it's called binignit. Okay guys, so I think this is it for now and mahalo again for watching. For those who are still new to my channel, please po do me a favor, please subscribe. If you like my video, put like, you can share it and put your comments down below.